What if the universe could be explained by a few simple laws? Isaac Newton believed it could. His work didn't just change science, it redefined how humanity saw the world and its place in the cosmos. Born in 1642 in rural England, Newton was a sickly child, abandoned by his widowed mother for much of his youth. Left alone, he developed a fierce curiosity carving wooden models, studying the stars, and building sundials. He would grow into one of the most brilliant minds in history. At Cambridge University, Newton immersed himself in mathematics, physics, and astronomy. When the Great Plague shut the university down in 1665, he returned home. In that period of isolation, he laid the groundwork for his greatest discoveries. He formulated the laws of motion, 3 simple principles that described how objects move. From the fall of an apple to the orbit of the moon, the same rules applied everywhere. Newton also developed the law of universal gravitation, the idea that every mass in the universe attracts every other mass with a force proportional to their mass and inversely proportional to the square of their distance. This single law explained both the tides and the paths of the planets. In 1687, Newton published Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica Principia. It united the work of Copernicus, Galileo, and Kepler under a single mathematical framework. The universe, once mysterious, now seemed like a grand machine. But Newton was not only a scientist. He delved deeply into alchemy, biblical prophecy, and philosophy. He saw his scientific work as uncovering the divine order of creation, believing that nature was a book written by God in the language of mathematics. Newton's life was also marked by intense rivalries. His dispute with Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz over the invention of calculus consumed decades. Yet his mathematical methods remain central to science today. By the time he died in 1727, Newton was a national hero, buried in Westminster Abbey. His legacy was not just the equations he left behind, but the intellectual framework that still shapes our understanding of reality. Newton once wrote, "If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants." And in turn, he became a giant on whose shoulders modern science still stands.